Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can bridge your BNB to the ZkSync. There's no direct way to bridge your BNB to ZkSync, but as a workaround, you can swap your available BNB, that's the Smart Chain BNB. You could swap this BNB into the Ethereum BEP20 and then swap it to the Ethereum ZkSync. And you can do this by simply selecting your BNB. So simply use the toggle at the top right corner of the screen to search for BNB. Once you found BNB, select the Smart Chain BNB and make sure you have your Ethereum BNB set up. That's the BNB pegged Ethereum. Make sure it's activated by using this toggle as well. So once it's activated, select the BNB Smart Chain. Click on the More icon, click on the Swap feature, click on Swap BNB. Now you're going to be taken to the direct swap menu. Click on the Trust Wallet BEP20 or whatever token is shown there. Scroll till you find the BNB pegged Ethereum. Select this and simply select any of the amounts here, like the 25%, 50%, 75%, or you could manually enter an amount of BNB you wish to swap for the Ethereum. So if you were to simply click on the amount you wish, click on Preview Swap, and then proceed to confirm the swap, and then processing, click on OK, and now simply reload your BNB. And as you can see, I've gotten some of the Ethereum, which you could then check again just to confirm by a reload again, and boom, we've got the Ethereum BEP20. So now all we need to do with this Ethereum BEP20 is head over to the browser section, and we're going to be working with the exchange known as layerswap.io. You could simply search for them. And once you're there, click on the wallet icon here. Select this wallet icon, click on the wallet connect option, and then simply click on connect wallet. Now by doing this, your wallet is going to be connected. The icon at the top right corner of the screen, select this icon and simply select the BNB Smart Chain. Once you've done this, where it says source, click on the source, scroll and select the BSC, that's the Binance Smart Chain. And as you can see, the element we're working with, the token we're working with is the Ethereum, and our balance has just showed up. So now when they say to ZkSync Era address, simply put in the address, select this address here and click on the minimum, and then simply click on the swap now feature. And now as you can see here, you could just simply click on send from wallets. So click on send from wallets and then simply confirm the smart contract call. So click on confirm, but please take note that the transaction will likely fail. The execution could be reverted. Click on confirm, and then the transfer is in progress. And then the deposit becomes confirmed, and then the Ethereum would then be sent to your address. Completed. 0.001837 Ethereum has been sent to your address. And you can view the transaction receipts by clicking on this option here. And you can have a look on the ZkSync.io. This is the transaction, the batch, and everything concerning this transaction. And if you were to head back to your wallet and simply reload, you would find that the BNB is gone. And all you need to do now is simply enable the ZkSync Ethereum. Use the toggle at the top right corner of the screen once more. Click on this toggle and simply search for ZK. And you'd find the ZkSync Ethereum here. And if you reload, you'd find your Ethereum deposited. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question concerning how you can bridge your BNB into the ZkSync, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.